What if you could build a YouTube channel without owning a camera, renting a studio, or spending hours editing every video? In 2026, AI can help you write scripts, generate visuals, create voiceovers, edit footage, and even design your thumbnails. But here's what most people get wrong. AI alone won't make you rich. The real opportunity is building a repeatable content business. So, can an AI-powered YouTube channel make $1 million? Potentially, yes, but there are no guarantees.
$1 million channel isn't built from one viral video. It's built from views, audience trust, multiple revenue streams, and consistency.
So instead of asking, how can AI make me $1 million? Ask, how can AI help me build a media business?
Step 1 is choosing the right niche. This is where most beginners make their first mistake. They create random videos about whatever is trending. Whatever is trending. Instead, choose a subject people already care about.
From the algorithms that think, to the businesses we build, history's deepest mysteries, and breakthroughs in science, this is the future of entertainment.
Writing. For a US audience, your niche should have 3 things. People want to watch it, you can create dozens of videos about it, and it has legitimate monetization opportunities. Don't choose a niche just because you think it will make money. Choose one you can actually create great content about for the next year.
Step 2 is finding ideas. Don't simply ask AI, give me viral videos.
Give AI context. Tell it your niche, your audience, the format you want, and the emotion you want viewers to feel.
Give me 20 video ideas for an American audience interested in artificial intelligence. Focus on curiosity, surprising discoveries, practical benefits, and strong storytelling. Then research the ideas before publishing. Use AI as your writing assistant. Start with the hook. The first 10 seconds need to give viewers a reason to stay. Look at what people are already watching. Then find an angle that makes your version different. Step 3 is the script. And this is where you should never let AI do all the thinking. Then create an open loop. Promise information the viewer wants to discover. Then deliver useful information.
A simple structure is hook, problem, curiosity, information, payoff, and call to action.
Now comes the fun part. Turning your script into visuals. Break your script into scenes. Every detail perfectly mapped, from pitch to production. Then generate images or video clips that actually match your narration. The goal isn't to show off AI. The goal is to make the viewer forget they're watching a collection of AI-generated assets. Next is the voice. You can use an AI voice, record your own voice, or combine both. But don't choose a voice just because it sounds realistic. Choose one that fits your audience and your subject. Then edit the video around the narration. Cut unnecessary pauses, add captions, music, and sound effects.
Change visuals often enough to keep attention. AI can speed up production, but editing is still storytelling.
Now you need the click. Your title creates curiosity. Your thumbnail creates the visual promise. Keep them simple. One clear idea, one strong image, and very little text. It was hidden for centuries, until now. What is really inside?
Now here's the warning you absolutely need to know. Don't build a channel by mass-producing nearly identical AI videos.
YouTube's monetization policies emphasize original and authentic content, and repetitive or mass-produced content can be ineligible for monetization.
So don't make 50 videos using the same template with different words. Give every video a different idea, story, perspective, or use.
AI should help you produce original content faster. It shouldn't turn your channel into a factory of interchangeable videos.
There's another important rule. If you're creating realistic AI scenes that never happened, YouTube may require you to disclose them. This can apply when AI meaningfully alters or creates realistic people, places, or events that viewers could mistake for real.
Don't hide AI use when disclosure is required. Be transparent, build trust, and focus on making something worth watching.
Now let's talk about money. Don't build your entire business around ad revenue. Think bigger. You can potentially combine advertising with sponsorships, affiliate marketing, digital products, memberships, or services.
Imagine someone discovers your channel, subscribes, watches more videos, and eventually becomes a customer.
That's how a YouTube channel can evolve into a business. The video gets attention. The audience creates the opportunity. If I were starting from zero in 2026, here's what I'd do. For the first 30 days, I'd learn the workflow and test topics. Days 31 through 60, I'd double down on the first getting the formats 60. I'd double down on the formats getting the strongest viewer response. Days 61 through 90, everything. Hooks, thumbnails, storytelling, editing, and my understanding of the audience.
Don't obsess over one viral video. Build a system that can produce your next great video, then the next one, and the next.
Can AI help you build $1 million YouTube business? It can give you leverage, but there are no guarantees. The real advantage isn't the A you do with it. Subscribe, because we're just getting started.